So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, class. So, I'm the third reporter of the Group 9. Our topic is technology as a way of rebelling. So, my assigned topic is all about the essence of technology. So, when we say the essence of technology, it is focusing on the true purpose of the technology that reveals the world or something around us. So, the essence of technology, according to philosopher Martin Heidegger, lies not in its instrumental or anthropological definition. So, it means yung technology, according kay philosopher Martin Heidegger, is not just an instrument na we use every day, and technology is not also about kung paano natin to ginagamit sa pang-araw-araw, but rather in its ability to shape our understanding of the world. So, yung technology daw, according kay philosopher Martin Heidegger, is helping us to understand the world. So, Heidegger argued that technology is a way of revealing the world around us, uncovering and showing the instrumental potential of objects. So, it means Heidegger argues that technology is a way of revealing. It means technology daw is help us reveal something, no? Nire-reveal sa atin ng technology ang mundo. Uncovering and showing the instrumental potential of objects. So it means technology is uncover, no? Help us uncover and showing yung potential ng isang bagay. It means technology help us to know what is truly the purpose or the potential of an object in this world. Now, this concept is known as inframing, where technology frames our understanding of reality, determining how we interact with the world. So, ano nga ba yung inframing? So, inframing, no, is ito yung tinitignan natin yung isang bagay na makakatulong sa atin, na magagawa nating resource in the future, no? So, pumunta tayo sa inframing. So, inframing, technology turns nature into a resource for efficient use, treating it as a standing reserve or a stockpile of resources to be used later. So, it means, no, yung inframing is, yun na nga, tinitignan natin yung isang bagay na pwede, kung ano yung potential niya na pwedeng maging resource natin. So, halimbawa is, yung mga puno sa paligid natin, no? One of the potential ng puno is, ano yung ginagamit natin ngayon? Like yung mga notebooks, yung mga papers, and yung mga pencils na ginagamit natin is galing sa puno. So, yun yung totoong potential ng puno. Pwede siyang isa siya sa mga resource natin. No? As a human, ginagawa nating resource yung puno, not just sa mga gamit natin sa schools, like sa school supplies, but also ginagamit natin to resource, yung mga puno or nature to survive, like sa mga fruits, sa mga vegetables, no? Doon nang gagaling yung mga food na kinakain natin para makasurvive. So, yun yung inframing. Next is revealing. Revealing, technology uncovers and shows the world in its capacity as instrumental objects, shaping our perception of reality. So, halimbawa nito is yung microscope, no? To that object or to that microscope is nire-reveal nito yung mga microorganisms, different organisms na hindi nakikita ng mga sarili nating mata. Kasi yung microscope na yun is isa siyang technology para makita or ginagamit para makita yung mga different microorganisms sa mga bagay dito sa mundo. So, yun yung revealing. Another example sa revealing technology is yung process ng X-ray, no? Through that X-ray, nakikita natin kung ano yung mga kung may mga bali ba tayo sa buto, kung may mga sakit ba tayo sa loob ng mga lungs natin. So, yun yung revealing in a terms of the essence of technology. So, sa relationship naman, technology is not just a thing, but a way of relating to the world, influencing how we see and interact with reality. So, no, to innovation of technology, our relationship is nag-grow din, no? Technology is not just a thing. So, halimbawa nito is yung cellphone, no? Through that cellphone, mas lalong nagde-develop yung relationship natin through communicating sa mga family, friends, and loved ones natin. Hindi kasi tulad ng dati, nung wala pang technology, no, yung communication is mahirap talaga kasi magsusulat ka pa and then ipapadala mo pa sa sinusulatan mo. So, mahirap. So, ilang days pa bago niya mabasa, no? So, to technology, our relationship grows and it helps us to develop our communications, no? Napapadali ng technology yung pagko-communicate natin sa mga family, friends, and loved ones natin. So, yun yung the essence of technology. So, that's all. Thank you.